Hello children, how are you? Hope all are fine and safe. Okay. In our last class we discussed about the large numbers, properties of large number, then how to read large numbers, how to write, then how to form a greatest and smallest number using the given digits, etc. Then international place value system, Indian place value system, etc. Today in this class we discuss about addition and subtraction of large numbers. In our 4th standard we already learned that how to add and subtract numbers. Okay. Today we discuss about addition and subtraction of large numbers. First is addition. First we want to study addition of large numbers. Addition. Okay. Then first question, add 2,34,167 and 3,87,289. Then how to add these two numbers? First we write these numbers as according to place value system. Okay, first 2,34,167 plus, then next number is 3,87,289. 3,87,289. First we add from according to place value system, we arrange these numbers, then we add. First ones place digit. Here which are the ones place digits? 7 and 9 are in ones place, 6 and 8 is in tens place, 1 and 2 is in hundredth place, then this is in thousands, 10,000, then lakh. First we add. What is 7 plus 9? 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Yes. Then what is which number is here? Here is 6 and 1 is the balance. Here just write this like this. Okay. Then 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Here we write 5 and 1 is here. Then next 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then next is 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Okay. Here 1 is here and 1 is here. Therefore 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 12 we write 2 here and 1 balance. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, our answer is 6,21,456. Okay. Then next question is second question is 23,57,489 plus 14,22,629. Okay. First then we add. What is 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. We write 8 here and the balance 1 is here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 balance. 4 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 balance 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, here 1 also balance, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, therefore 37 lakh 80,118 is the answer. Okay, then our third question is, third question is 3 crore 27 lakh 3 crore 27 lakh 82,120 plus 27 lakh 31,232. Okay, then first we write this number, that is 3 crore 27 lakh 82,120. In first number, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. In second number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, addition of 8 digit and 7 digit number. How to write these numbers for adding? Plus, according to place value system, we write these two numbers. First number is 3 crore 27 lakh 82,120 plus 27 lakh 31,232. Here 2 is in ones place. Here ones place digit is 0. Therefore, we write 2 here. 3 is in tens place. 2, 1, 3, 7, 2. Here it's in empty. Okay. Then we add 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 1 balance. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 1 balance. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here 3. Which number? Empty. Therefore, we write 3 here. Therefore, our answer is 3 crore 55 lakh 13,352. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next number. Next question is fourth question. Add 2 crore 35 lakh 35,253 and 87 lakh 32,859. First we write these two numbers according to place value chart. That is 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3 plus 9, 5, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8. Just adding these two numbers. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Here 2 is here and 1 balance. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 balance. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 1 balance. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 6. 7 plus 5 12. 1 balance. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Then 1 balance. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, our answer is 3 crore 22 lakh 68,112. Okay. Next is subtraction. For adding two numbers, first we arrange numbers according to digits according to place value chart. Then we add. Next is subtraction. Next is subtraction. First question, subtract 829 from 968. Okay, here this is a small number, 3-digit number, this is also a 3-digit number. Just then how to subtract? We subtract these numbers from largest numbers. We subtract, first we write from the largest number, that is here 968 is the largest number. We subtract the smaller number from larger number. Here 968 is the larger number. Here smaller number is 829. 829. Just subtract. How to subtract? We already learned it in 4th standard. Okay. Then here this is 8 and this is 9. Is it possible? 9 is subtract from 8? No. Then what to do? Yes, we bring 1 from here. We bring or borrow 1 from here. That is, here is 18. Then here is remainder is 5. Therefore, 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Then 5. 5 minus, here not 6, this is 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This is 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, our answer is 139. Therefore, for subtracting numbers, we subtract smaller number from larger number. Therefore, for subtracting, first we write the larger number is first and then the smallest number according to their place value system. Okay, for example, another example, subtract 2 crore 35 lakh 89,123 from 8 crore 25 lakh 33,223. First we write these two numbers in place value according to place value chart. Then here which one is the largest number? Yes, 8 crore 25 lakh 33,223. Therefore, first we write the largest number, that is 8 crore 25 lakh 33,223. Less or minus or subtract 2 crore 35 lakh 89,123. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. First we subtract from right to left. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here 3 and 9. Is it possible? No. Then what to do? We take 1 from here, that is 13. You see here also 2. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Is 2 minus 8? Okay, no. Therefore, we take 1 here, that is 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Here is 4. Therefore, 4 minus 5 is possible. No, therefore, we take 1 from here. Therefore, here is 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here is 1. 1 minus 3 is possible. No, therefore, we take 1 from here. Therefore, here is 11 and here is 7. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, our answer is 5 crore 89 lakh 44,100. Okay. Next, one more question. Subtract 37 lakh 29,243 from 5 crore 37 lakh 23,314. Then here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. This is 8 digit number. Here, which one is the greatest number? Yes, this is the greatest number, that is 5 crore 37 lakh 23,314 minus, then 7 digit number. We arrange this in place value chart. Therefore, 3 is in 1's place, 4 is in 10's place, 2, 9, 2, 7, 3. Okay. Then we subtract. What is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 minus 4. Therefore, 1 is the smaller number. Okay. Therefore, we take 1 from here. Here is 11 and here is 2. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 9, here 3 is the smaller number, therefore we take 1 from here, that is 13, here is 1. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Then 1 minus 2, therefore we take 1 from here, here is 11 and here is 6. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 6 minus 7, here is 6 and this is 7. We also take 3. 1 from here, that is 16. 3 is to 4. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 2 minus 3 is possible? No. Therefore, we take 1 from here. Here is 12 and here is 4. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 4. 4 crore 99 lakh 94,071. Okay. Here today in this we discuss about addition and subtraction of large numbers. For adding large numbers, we arrange the numbers according to place value system. Then we add or subtract. Okay.